Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook taro leaf. Taro leaves contain calcium oxalate, a natural compound that can cause irritation if not prepared correctly. It is crucial to cook these leaves thoroughly for at least 45 minutes to an hour to break down this compound. Always handle raw taro leaves with gloves if you have sensitive skin, as direct contact might also cause a mild itch. Prioritizing safety ensures a delicious and worry-free culinary experience. Gather your ingredients, including 1 large bunch of fresh taro leaves, about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 cup of coconut milk for richness, and a pinch of salt. You will also need aromatics like 2 cloves of garlic, minced, and 1 small onion, finely chopped to build flavor. For equipment, a large pot with a lid, a sharp knife, and a cutting board are essential for this recipe. These simple items will help you prepare a wonderful dish. Begin by thoroughly washing your taro leaves under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris. Next, carefully remove the thick, fibrous stems from each leaf, as these parts are not typically consumed and can be tough. Stack several leaves on top of each other, then roll them tightly and slice them into thin ribbons measuring about 1/4 inch wide. This preparation method ensures even cooking and a pleasant texture for your finished dish. Decide to audible when your original play call is clearly at a disadvantage. For instance, if the defense stacks 8 players in the box, running the ball might be ineffective, so you could audible to a quick pass. Conversely, if defensive backs are playing 10 yards off your receivers, a short run might be a more efficient gain. A sudden defensive shift that leaves an area wide open is another excellent time to audible, allowing you to exploit that mismatch. Your goal is always to counter the defense's plan with a superior offensive strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.